Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everything's good with you guys. So today I have decided to react on Lynyrd Skynyrd, Free Birds. So if you want to see my reaction, then please keep on watching.
If I leave here tomorrow, would you still remember me? I must be traveling on now, 'cause there's too many places I've got to see. Pretty for Oakland. Billy Powell, piano. It's been a sweet love, oh yeah, yeah. Though this feeling I can't change, but please don't take
Okay, so first of all, I just wanted to thank you all so much for voting. This has been so fun to see who's voting for who, and obviously this was the winner, so that is why I did a reaction today on this beautiful band. All the other songs will come along, you just need to be patient. But it was so interesting to see that actually percentages are really close to each other, so that was really exciting for me personally. So I just wanted to say thank you for everybody who participated in the voting pool, so thank you for that. Now let's talk about this performance and song and band and everything. This is the very first time I have ever heard about this band, and also I haven't heard this song before, which is really strange to me. Maybe I will know a few of their songs, I don't know yet, but this song is considered to be one of their best songs, if not the best song, and I haven't heard it until today, and I'm so happy that I did. This was absolutely gorgeous. But I do have to say, during the beginning of the song, I straight away loved the instruments and the way that the song has been built. I already got that sense of how well the song is built just from the very first few instruments coming in and all of that. And then he started to sing. In the beginning of the first verse, the first chorus, it was a bit shaky for him. I don't know what that was. Maybe too many people, maybe party before, maybe it wasn't his day. I don't know what's the actual reason for it, but it was a bit shaky. Then the second verse and the second chorus came, and he all of a sudden started to perform even better than the first verse and chorus. So that was really nice to hear. I don't know, maybe he started to feel more comfortable. I don't know what that was, but his voice just started to sound a lot better. I felt like instruments were louder than the actual microphone. Maybe that's what that was, because instrumentally wise, every instrument I heard a lot better than the singer itself. So that was really weird. And that's what I mean. And then the second part was absolutely brilliant. So maybe they changed the volume or whatever. And another thing what I really like about the song, it has this country twang to it. And if you have been a part of my channel for quite some time now, it's a must to know that I really love country music. And my favorite thing is when rock and roll is mixed with country music. I think it's such a beautiful mix, and this song proved once again it's an absolutely brilliant mix. These genres they just go hand in hand. I don't know why it is like that, it just sounds beautiful. Guitar solos, those gave me goosebumps. I loved it. And you need to remember, guys, this song, like this whole performance was 11 minutes long. And usually I'm very skeptic about songs that are that long. I thought it was absolutely perfect. I didn't need a second more, and I didn't need a second less. When it ended, I felt like I was so full. It was absolutely brilliant from A to Z. The fans were going nuts. I loved it. And here I go back once again about how cleverly the song has been built. Is because I wasn't expecting for the beat to go faster and faster and faster, and the guitars came in and they're playing faster and faster. And that was the thing that surprised me, and I love when that happens. And that's why those 11 minutes went by so quickly and I was so satisfied, is because the song was built so cleverly and you don't get bored because the whole rhythm of the song changes. This song sounded like 3 different songs but beautifully blended together, and I absolutely love this. This is something new to me. I loved it, and I'm so excited to keep exploring this band because this is going to be so fun. And this song, I will listen to it. I loved it. The vocals in the beginning a bit shaky, but like we don't know what happened. But he came through everything in the end. I loved it. And I don't say this often when the song is 11 minutes long, because usually there are some things that but this was exceptional. Please guys, let me know down below in comments on which song should I do a reaction on next. You can give me any song that you think would be really interesting for me to see next. I cannot wait. So please do that, as well as please let me know what did you thought about this performance, and I'm so excited to see what else they have, because they definitely have so many other masterpieces that I'm not aware of yet. And I'm really excited about that, so yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this reaction video, then please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and until my next video, bye guys.